Isis, play. Good girl. Don't want to lose that little pretty. Oh, sorry, baby. Mommy'll fix it. I told you we'd get away clean. Oh, Isis, stop. Mom's trying to sleep. I see my cat. I don't see my cat's eye emerald. Well, let's just say I borrowed the phone while the owner's attention was elsewhere. But the job's taking just a little bit longer than we planned. How's Anya? What about the other girls? Why are you here?
It's not by choice. Your cat was going berserk on the plane. You know, she's small, but she is a monster.
Yeah, Isis is way too dignified for berserk.
In any case, it's 2 against 1.
3 against 1. Okay, 2 against 1. Oh, now you're here.
So, stay out of trouble.
Oh, don't you start. My cat, my count. Just because you don't have a cat of your... Oh, come on.
Christened on Tuesday.
Wow, that's one fair-weather cat.
Meaning she's smarter than we are?
Yeah, pretty much.
Isis, you shouldn't wander off like that. Or do you want to be quarantined for months after we make landfall? There are a few things I need to pick up. You know, at the tower.